Hello, I am Dr. Shankar, Assistant Professor of Botany, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to describe Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, it occurs in mitochondria in these reactions, first revealed by Sir Hans Krebs, an English biochemist in 1937. For his contribution, he was awarded Nobel Prize in 1953. This cycle is also known as citric acid cycle and TCA cycle because the first two formation of stable compound citric acid. This cycle was named as citric acid cycle, and the citric acid contains three carboxylic acid groups. Hence, it is known as TCA cycle. So, in these reactions, in this cycle, the 10 reactions occurs: condensation reaction, oxidation reactions, dehydration, and hydration reactions, decarboxylation reactions. This is the Krebs cycle or a chart of Krebs cycle. And first reaction, condensation reactions. Here, acetyl coenzyme A, which was formed from the pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is the end product of glycolysis. This pyruvic acid transported to mitochondria through pyruvate translocator to the mitochondria, where it is decarboxylated and oxidized. Then lastly, it was acylate. Acylation reactions takes place. So finally, it forms into acetyl coenzyme A, that is two carbon compound. So pyruvic acid becomes acetyl coenzyme A through many reactions. So the first reaction, condensation reaction, means condense a group together. This is oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid is a 4-carbon compound. Oxaloacetic acid in the presence of citric synthetase enzyme react with acetyl coenzyme A to form citric acid, and coenzyme A is released. So citric acid is a 6-carbon compound. Citric acid is 6-carbon compound. So OAA, oxaloacetic acid, this is the 4-carbon compound. Acetyl coenzyme 2-carbon compound. So 4 plus 2, 6. So citric acid contains 6-carbon compound. Second reaction, dehydration. Citric acid in the presence of aconitase enzyme is dehydrated into form cis-aconitic acid, and one water molecule is released. Dehydration means removal of water molecule from the substance. Removal of water molecules from the substance as a substrate. So the dehydration, the result of dehydration, citric acid turns into cis-aconic acid. Next, third reaction, hydration, means addition of water molecule to the substrate. Addition of water molecule to the substrate is, this reaction is called hydration. Here, cis-aconic acid in the presence of aconitase enzyme hydrolyzed to form isocitric acid. Cis-aconic acid plus H2O gives us to isocitric acid. Isocitric acid. So here water molecule added to the substrate or cis-aconic acid, then it forms into isocytric acid. And coming to the fourth reaction, oxidation. Oxidation, as you know that oxidation means addition of oxygen molecule to the substrate or removal of hydrogen from the substrate or loss of removal loss of electron from the substrate. So oxidation means removal of hydrogen. Isocytric acid in the presence of isocytric dehydrogenase is oxidized to form oxalosuccinic acid. Here, two hydrogen molecules are transferred from isocytric acid to NAD. Then it becomes NADH2 and the product is oxalosuccinic acid. Oxalosuccinic acid. Now coming to the fifth reaction, decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation reaction. Means D means removal. Carboxylation means carbon dioxide group. Carbon dioxide group is removed from the substrate. This reaction is called carboxylation. The enzymes which catalyze decarboxylation reactions are known as decarboxylases. The enzymes which catalyze the decarboxylation reaction are known as decarboxylases. So here oxalosuccinic acid decarboxylated in the presence of oxalosuccinic decarboxylase to form alpha ketoglutarate acid. Here oxalosuccinic acid loses one carbon dioxide molecule and forms into alpha ketoglutarate acid. This reaction is catalyzed by oxalosuccinic decarboxylase. Oxalosuccinic decarboxylase is an enzyme which catalyzes the decarboxylation reactions in this step. Come to the sixth reaction, oxidative decarboxylation. In this reaction, two types of reactions are occurring because two types of reactions are takes place because here oxidation reaction as well as decarboxylation reactions. So this collectively this reaction is known as oxidative decarboxylation. In this reaction, alpha ketoglutarate acid in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase is condenses with acyl coenzyme A and oxidatively decarboxylated to form succinyl coenzyme A. In this reaction, NAD is reduced to NADH2. So in this reaction, okay, alpha ketoglutarate acid plus acyl coenzyme A plus NAD gives us to succinyl coenzyme A plus NADH2 plus carbon dioxide. Next reaction, cleavage. Cleavage is splitting of substrate molecules. Succinyl coenzyme A in the presence of succinic thiokinase. Succinyl coenzyme A in the presence of succinic thiokinase splits into succinic acid and coenzyme A. In this reaction, one ATP molecule is formed. So, succinyl coenzyme A plus ADP gives us to succinic acid plus coenzyme A plus ATP. In this reaction is catalyzed by succinic thiokinase. Here, succinic coenzyme A plus ADP gives us to succinic acid plus coenzyme A plus ATP. So here ATP molecule is formed because this is the substrate level of phosphorylation. Substrate level phosphorylation. And coming to the eighth reaction, oxidation. I already told you oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen molecule from the substrate. Succinic acid in the presence of succinic dehydrogenase is oxidized to form fumaric acid and FADH2. In this reaction, FAD is reduced to form FADH2, flavin adenine dinucleotide. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. It is reduced flavin adenine dinucleotide. So succinic acid plus FAD gives us to fumaric acid plus FADH2. So this reaction is catalyzed by succinic dehydrogenase. Coming to the ninth reaction, hydration. Hydration means addition of water molecule to the substrate. Addition of water molecule to the substrate. Fumaric acid in the presence of fumarase hydrolyzed to form malic acid. Here, water molecule added to the fumaric acid and formed as malic acid. This reaction was catalyzed by fumarase. This reaction was catalyzed by fumarase. And last reaction, oxidation reaction. This is the fourth reaction of oxidation. Oxidation. Malic acid in the presence of malic dehydrogenase is oxidized to form oxaloacetic acid. So here oxaloacetic is reproduced here. Malic acid in the presence of malic dehydrogenase is oxidized to form oxaloacetic acid. In this reaction, NAD is reduced to form NADH2. Malic acid plus NAD gives us to oxaloacetic acid plus NADH2. Significance of the cycle. This pathway is playing an important role in catabolism and anabolism. They also dual purpose. In catabolic role, it serves as oxidation of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. In the anabolic role, the intermediate substrate alpha ketoglutamate acid is involved in the synthesis of amino acids. So, Krebs cycle acts dual role, that is anabolic as well as catabolic role. So, thank you.